Siri, hello, welcome. Hi, welcome to the stream. That was very, very quick. Welcome. I know that there's no starting screen like I normally would and should have, but I realized that I was 5 minutes late, 3 minutes ago. So I just had to get things set up as quickly as I could, and I'm still downloading the project that we will be working on for today's stream, which is, where is it? Where is it? Graded coursework materials for Lyra. There you are. And also let me kind of zoom in on myself a little bit more because I don't really want y'all seeing my bed, but we're gonna do our thing that's kind of becoming our mainstay here, where we start the stream off with smoking a nice little bit. Our husband live in the car door, not in the car door yet. I am gonna turn off the subtitles on my face because those are for Discord conversations. I also need to refocus. There you go, because I had it focused on something else. And nope, wrong one. Sorry. There you go. Get rid of those. We have the other ones closer, deeper. Oh, does that mean you can't hear me? Let me go ahead and do that. Or did you just mean because of that? Do you want just like that? And is this how we're gonna be doing it from now on? No, I don't mind it if I just kind of cleaned up the cheeks a little bit, keep a little mystery. People don't see the full extent of my nose that goes to the ceiling. No. Let me. Oh, my camera's legs are a little wobbly. Sorry about that. Gotta manhandle it a little bit. All right, so we already rolled. That's why our camera was a little janky and messed up. I decided I was sitting in Discord with a couple buddies and decided to just point the camera down while I worked on my craft. Wait. I don't remember which one of these was like only perps in it. And when it's got perps in it, that's gonna make me drowsy, yawning, and I mean, do I care? Chat, do I care? I'm at your camera, but I'll take earbuds. Oh man, I mean, you could get it for free if you just kind of enlist in the military. They will have you fire without your fucking Air Pro, I promise. Yeah, you missed rolling time. I'm sorry. I don't know where everyone's been the past couple days. Like, the second half of yesterday, no one was around. I was like, damn, I ain't getting to smoke with nobody. I saw Drew sitting in there for a while, but it was after I came back from a shower, so I was like, he probably passed out. I'm not going to bother him. I'm not going to be the reason that he stays up any longer either. You know? Let's stop procrastinating this. Grab our water. Make sure that we are hydrated. I might care. Okay. Do I want to also, like, I do have the possibility of countering it by having another one of my energy drinks, but we know how effective that is for ADHD. I'm so glad I didn't pick the wrong side to light like I did last time. I was chilling most of the day yesterday, finally finished all my art, so it was break time. Nah, I get that. Actually, I'm working on a splash screen for Dead by Daylight Mobile, off screen, like not on stream here. I can pull it up again, and people here can get a sneak peek at it. It's not done yet because I need to make 3 of them, but I have a version that is available. to look at, which has my concept for a new killer that I thought of and wanted to, wish would be a thing, but that Dead by Daylight game is dying. Also, if it seems like I'm talking nonstop, it's because throughout the day we have discovered that there is a problem with our PubNub captions, and for some reason that is currently unknown, there is some sort of like timeout thing that's happening where it just stops listening to input if there isn't any input had for like between 5 to 10 seconds, and then when I talk, it's not going to show the captions anymore. If that happens and someone notices it, please let me know. I'm trying to keep up with it, because every time it happens, I need to tab out and I need to refresh, because then that'll make it listen again. So, just something to keep in mind. I'm a goddamn firebender. I just heard one of the windows either above or below me close. I always get nervous when I hear that. Also, I'm so sorry I forgot this. I'm gonna put on our little music. It's not gonna be, the good nerdcore. We're actually, this is made by people that are kind of in the nerdcore community. Internet City, they make these DMCA free playlists for streamers and stuff. I'm gonna turn you a little bit more to the left here. You always keep me in mind. Oh my god, my heart. Oh, look at that. They already stopped. Oh, now I need to refresh it through here now. Testing, nothing. Alright, hang on. We'll refresh that browser every time the scene becomes active, and we're also going to, there we go. So I'm gonna try and keep tabs on that. Let me actually go ahead and pop that window back open. Yep. Yeah, so there's a button on my stream. Like, I'm just gonna drag this out here. So this is what the tab looks like for my for the properties for my for my captions. So you can see that it's generating and everything here. So if we looked at what it looks like on, not that, on this, you'll notice that there's a little, up here, there is a recording icon. And what happens is that after about 5 to 10 seconds, that just stops when it's not detecting anything. So I need to refresh. I can either refresh through OBS or I can refresh through just opening up that tab again. I might do the tab, but having the OBS one kind of keeps it at the forefront. Whenever I click on OBS, it should just pop right up. But if I keep this like basically perched in front of my stuff, I'll just see it better. I want to also give a shout out and thanks to Graceful Lotus and Siri Renee. Thank you both for the follow. I greatly appreciate it. We are getting closer to actually starting a different channel. Not a different channel, but a new channel. And leaving the numbers behind on our name. Actually, no. I think there's a thing on Twitch where I can just change my name. So I think I'm going to do that. If it'll let me. In fact, it may be in effect by tomorrow. You never know. But the reason that that I've been waiting to do it is because I want to make sure that I can change all of my social media, ergo create social media for the new channel name, and change over what can be changed over without needing the new email. But if I already have the new email, which I do, I made a new email yesterday for all of this. I can keep tabs on things a lot easier for it. And I'm not trying to have a different name on various different platforms. So for the stream, I want to be consistent like I currently am. I am Killer Snow 666 on every platform. You can find me on YouTube, you can find me on Facebook, you can find me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, all of that. You can find my socials for my channel and for me through using the name Killer Snow 666. I thought so. I thought I remembered seeing something about that. So I'm going to take a look into that. I wanted to have everything lined up so that way I could just change my background and change everything and have everything perfect and new, but I think I'll have to do this bit by bit and let the transition happen first by name and then by appearance, because I need to pace myself. And if I take too long to get to things, we're not gonna, you know, be paced. So here's the concept that I made for class as a splash screen to try and get people to play Dead by Daylight, where we had to create our own concept and add it to the already existing concepts of the game. So I created the idea of a killer called the Mimic, and if you zoom in, this is incomplete, by the way, I'm not shaded or anything. So there's like mouths and eyes growing all over him. I'm gonna also add smaller versions of these crawler claws and everything, but I've always had the desire to create a mimic character for that game, or an asymmetrical game like it, so that way it could add an element of fear and suspicion to it that I think would really amplify the gameplay. Sorry, I keep dipping off frame and everything. It's a large play space I've got here. I'll stand up as well once we're done here. Why, thank you. My idea for the composite nightmare map would have just been literally a map that is various bits and pieces, various tiles from other maps, just any map, to kind of fit the theme of mimicry. But the map would just be very poor mimicry, and the mimic is, like, obviously some offshoot of the entity. And while I was drawing this, I came up with a killer concept for a killer called the Spider, which I already told you about. But for anyone else that's interested in the concept of a spider killer, the way I see it working would be it could leave web traps on the floor or in doorways and hallways. And if a survivor triggers it, then small baby spiders start swarming them and webbing them up. And while they are getting webbed, the killer has the option to basically teleport to the survivor, and when the killer, the spider, teleports to a survivor, they crawl up a string to just up in the air and then start crawling on a web that goes across the entire ceiling of the map, over the entire skybox, whatever type of map it is, and it's just going to auto track directly to the spot. And then if the survivor hasn't gotten the webbing off of them by then, they get to see the killer slowly descending on the spider thread towards them. If they still haven't gotten out of the webbing, they're gonna get schmacked. They're gonna get a hit on them, that's a free health state. But that whole process, no, they shouldn't be getting hit by that unless they're really oblivious and not paying attention to anything. But the point of it would be a quick way for the killer to get from point A to point B, because spiders are very, very quick. So not only could it be able to just like run a little bit faster than the standard killer speed, in my opinion, how I see this working, it could also, that teleport speed's just gonna be nice. Not instantaneous like Demogorgon, but like instead of going in the upside down, crawling around upside down this time. You feel me? So, let's see. We're still kind of cut off. Oh yeah, I forgot the zoom out. Shit. Now we're gonna have too much ceiling space in there. Let's bring you back down here a little bit. Get a good look. Yeah, that works. All right. So that was my concept. That's the thing. I'm gonna make it a little bit better, spruce it up, and then have that one ready to ship. And then I'll have I have 2 other ones picked out, but I don't have to create anything for them. I just need to kind of make them, make a screenshot of the game, have lettering and wording that makes people want to play it. So that is Dunsky. Did this Lyra download? Did I never select it to download? God damn. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and download this Lyra project real quick. Yep, you're not gonna be able to scan it. Come on. Yep, download. That's fine. Download anyway. 1.9 gigs. Too easy. Let's see if my knuckle slapping kept... Oh, hey! The knuckle slapping worked! I think you were right. I think just keeping ambient sound will be able to keep the mic active, but I don't really like the idea of upping my gain so much that it, blows out how loud I am and potentially damages, my stuff. I don't want that. But at the same time, I also don't want to have to keep talking non-stop. I did get a response from the support for PubNub, by the way. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and have... Oh, God, my knee. Oh, sweet Jesus, yes. Uh-huh. Woo. Let's just extract that. For free? I can hear it in my head. I'm gonna take this out to level design 2. And yeah, we'll just extract it there. It should go ahead and just put a Lyra folder in my level design 2 folder. Okay, so I downloaded it at 1.9 gigs, and to transfer it, it's 2.42 gigs. Oh, wait, no, I'm unzipping it, and it's 2.42 gigs. Never mind. All right, brain's working. I did have some perps in that one, too, so my brain's going to be just a little bit slower, but, not as much as if I smoked that other one. The other one's also bigger and thicker. That's for closer towards the end of the stream. Or if I just, start having a really bad time. I will show this. Welcome to what being unprepared looks like. I'm so very sorry. Let's see, what can I talk about? On the good news bus. On the good news bus, we are officially we're officially good on, yeah. We're officially good with our vocational rehabilitation benefits. So I'm set up now through my, well, my school's still waiting for my vocational rehab counselor to go ahead and talk to them to get the payment order and everything set up. Oh, my captions died. Damn it. Refresh. Yeah, that little button is actually really, really useful. If it works, yeah. See? I hate that it takes so long to actually refresh it too, but I'm glad that it exists. Go to the site now. And, I forgot what I was actually talking about already. That's a goddamn shame. Oh yeah, I got a response from the PubNub support guys, and they weren't tracking the problem. They didn't know about it. They didn't know that there was an issue. They were able to replicate it, obviously, because we were able to replicate it consistently for all of us. So, with them now finally tracking that, we can... Where's my phone? That Steam purchase. Oh yeah, that's right. So there's like there's a few developer giga sales going on. That's not what they're called. I think there is a publisher sale specifically for something, but I'm saying giga sales because they had, I found the sniper games. So I think it was Sniper Contract and Sniper Contract 2 and a couple of the others like within the Sniper series, which I actually enjoyed playing, like arcade sniper games and just games that actually do the sniper thing well, because snipers, they take time to set up. They need time to set up their shots. They're not an active combat thing, which is why I don't like seeing them in fast-paced gameplay if they don't have a viable option to set up somewhere and be kind of safe there for like an extended period of time. Yeah, there are some spots on some maps in like games like Overwatch that will allow that, but that method of play is very out of place in the play style for the games. Hey, it's finally done. So that we go and open that. Lyra notes. Notes, links, no. There's nothing on this. Okay. Cool. Let's go ahead and check the content folder. There's stuff in the content folder. I am verifying that with my eyes. Let us hope to God that it doesn't mess up. The reason that the camera's focused on my face is because I'm trying to get a workout in while I'm waiting for all of this crap to fire off and work. And that's not for you guys. Not yet. That might be when I'm under the new name. Have a little workout cam or something. But for now, that's just me. And people occasionally in Discord. Smoke King Bone, of course. Yes, welcome. It is definitely FaceTime of sorts. There we go. We're loading our Unreal project right now. Close that up, and I will hit that refresh cache button. Name change to make it easy. Which name did you have before? Or were you talking about the fact that I'm gonna change the name of the channel and stuff soon? Oh yeah. Yeah, no, that's definitely a lot easier to place you now. Well, was the process easy? Because I'm thinking of doing it myself. As soon as you got onto a computer, absolutely. Okay, yeah, no, I can see that. I can see that being the qualifier for that. No, I just realized I didn't actually look at the email, the link that they sent me, saying that they were able to replicate it. Let's see. Behavior using the demo link here. They sent me the demo link and I tried to open it on my Safari and it didn't open. It could not open. Oh wait, that's right. I needed to open up a specific window for, what do you call it? For YouTube. Because we realized that our multi-stream chat was not playing friendly with our YouTube community. And I was having people trying to chat was communicate. Woo! That came in loud. Okay. Yeah, I got myself muted now. I don't need to hear myself from that many different angles. Whew. Alright, so I can see that chat there. I can see this chat here. So now if I look to my right, I see Facebook. If I look to my left, you know what I meant? Well, I still need the multi-stream chat open so that way I can hopefully see Facebook chat if there is any. I did not see what that said before I clicked refresh. Let's go back to Twitch. That double sound. Yeah, no, my bad. Sorry about the double sound. Just for a quick sec. I am not a Gucci. How dare. Ah, ha, ha. Oh. The pacing and the waiting. Oh my god. I definitely should have done this sooner. I was slacking. That is my bad. I say I was slacking, but I was actually working on my other assignment, so I really don't know what I could have done better to improve. Probably multitasked, but that is just out of the question sometimes. And other times, there's no stopping it. Yeah, I can't win, but I can't lose. Alright, so today is Friday. We have another stream tomorrow, but I do have basically the rest of tomorrow and Sunday to do the rest of my drawing assignment to get some actual pre-production packages done for my own version of a Lyra starter game if these shaders will compile. And I need to do a pre-production package for a top-down, like Diablo style two-dimensional game that I'm going to have to be developing for that class. And that'll get me caught up for class. Unfortunately, that means that for this weekend, for today and tomorrow's streams, it's just going to be strictly, you know, design and game development stuff. So it might get a little boring. I apologize. Not everyone is interested in the inner workings and mechanics of stuff like I am, to the point where I'm doing it for everything that I care about. Anyway, it's a wild time. God damn. Still absolutely hating that we're having these caption issues. Because I now feel an obligation to continue talking to negate the need to just simply move my mouse over a little bit and hit refresh cache of current page over and over and over again. Mm-hmm. 2,400 and 2,373. Motherfucker, will you? All right, we're in the 2000s. We're in the 2000s for shaders. We'll get there. Just gonna get a little bit back when I zoom in there. Oh. Oh yeah. That's all you get to see is the top of it. Shame. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. We'll switch arms when it gets to 1,000. Which it better be soon, brother. Come on now. Get on now, get. I have been smoking the dog shit out of myself today. Okay. So I have this this thing where in order to entice myself to not let my laundry stack up, I make myself do a push-up for every article of clothing. Now that doesn't mean for every individual sock. Every pair of socks is going to go ahead and count as an article of clothing. You know, one underwear, etc., etc., everything afterwards, you know, generally is a one kind of thing. Socks are the only exception. But, you know, I did that to help maintain my fitness and to entice me to kind of be more responsible with doing my laundry in shorter increments and folding it, you know, when it's done. Swap over to the other one. We're under 500 now. God damn. So, what do? I wash the laundry when it's absolutely about to burst. And then I don't fold that laundry until I've washed the next big load of laundry. That results in me doing 71 push-ups when I wake up today. And then I decided to have another minor workout with my full bar. I'm switching because my arm's about to give. I don't want to drop this on my floor. But we're almost there. The only thing I haven't done is my plank today. I'll do that before I take a shower. But it figures on the hottest day we've had in San Francisco in a while. I decide to do all the shit that's gonna make me sweat. Okay, the shaders are done. Good interim workout. Cheers. This will get lighter the more water I drink, so that'll be good. Come on now. Don't disrespect me, not on camera. Not in front of my salad. You shut up, you know why you're not on camera. The insinuated salad. Don't worry, there's no one there, I'm just actually going crazy. Yes, 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 yes. %. Oh. I feel it. I can feel it, Mr. Krabs. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. We are... Oh lord. It is definitely still preparing those shaders. We're going to, on the cusp of feeling it, Mr. Krabs. We're gonna go to our live screen now. We can risk it now. Oh, I can go ahead and cut that off too. That secondary cam. I'm gonna refresh that cache real quick. Where's the, Damn, what the hell did I call that one? What is this? No, there... What did you grab? You fool, that's my voice modeler. I need you to grab that. What is that? The right screen? That's not showing the right screen. That's showing an infinite mid screen. Oh, wait, no, it is the right screen. Haha. So it wasn't lying. Alright, good. I hate liars. Okay. We're still preparing shaders. Alright. That should be close enough for me to be able to sit back down. And now we can... Oh, knees. Them shaders. Yeah, no, it's nutty. It's like how Hogwarts Legacy has to literally load their shaders every time the game launches. There's a lot. It's just a lot, bro. Okay. They are loaded. They are saved. This is a demo level that my instructor created, but this really luminous box he made here actually blocks out the skybox when you're near it because it reflects light so much that it makes it kind of bleed. That's the nav mesh bound. Where is the post space? No post processing, really? So with no post processing volume on this, that means that I have free reign to do something along the lines of taking this, dropping it right here, going into these options and typing, what am I gonna look for? Unbound, infinite extent, unbound. Excellent. Now that I have found that specific thing, we're gonna go straight here to exposure, and we're going to click min and max, and we're gonna set 1 and 1. Now by doing this, it balances out the light and stops the auto exposure adjustment that happens with your eyes. Or that the game engine is simulating happens with your eyes. I'm gonna turn off some of the elements that we have around our area here. What was it? This one? Click that. Yeah, see, there we go. That cleans up a little of it so that way you can see a little better down here in the details pane whenever I'm doing stuff. So I had basically, in the post-processing, I was messing in the details here. I announced what I did. And that goes ahead and changes this up a little bit. So I'm going to save this. See how this says game 270 example map? This is so that way we can see the play mode and all that stuff. And we're just gonna hit play and see what the experience is. By the way, if our whole computer crashes, I'm sorry. Hey, we're here. Cool. Let me double check on things. Yep, gotta refresh that. Okay. So, here we have the game. There's a dash. It can be used in the air. There's a high jump. There's a push jump as well. The game mode is basically capture the area, capture the objectives. See, those guys are very accurate. I need a different weapon. Yeah, see? They fuck you up here. So I was told not to mess with the AI because it's a slippery slope, and it definitely is. Fuck out of here. Why were the damage numbers blacked out, I wonder? What did you mess up on, bro? Alright, that one looked better. Oh, he got aggressive. I need to grab this, and I also need to grab some healing. So what we're doing right now is playing this to kind of get used to it, to understand how it works, the things that we might need to look for via the code. So as you see, we just captured this zone, but this is still... Oh shit! It's still showing as blue. Like, physically showing as blue, unless that was intentional and these aren't supposed to change shader colors, but I think they are. Like, I feel like that should be something that they do, is change shader color based on who controls it. And if it's not, that's something that it will do when I'm done with it. Come on. What the hell spread is that? No! Died. Oh wait, yeah, he didn't put in a... He actually didn't put that into the stage. Good job, sir. Let's... F11, let's go ahead and select a component, ability spawner. Yep, there we go. So you'll notice that these ability spawners, they're decently crafted. Or you will notice in a second. Come on now. There we go. We'll pop it right in there. See this? What is that? Event called every frame if ticking is enabled. And that is parent tick. Son? What is it? Interesting. It looks like those nodes are disabled. Yeah, node is disabled. That's very interesting. That means... Oh... The blueprint of the ability spawner itself is comprised of other blueprints. Oh, fuck me. Okay. If it is supposed to be domination, then I'd agree. Once the point is captured by a team, it should change. Yeah. I'm gonna need to take a look into that. So those are just cubes. Is there reference to them in anything? There should be a thing here that lets me look for it. Copy selected actor's file path. No. Snap view. No. There should be something. Attached to. Let's see. Great. No. Really. There's nothing for me to find. Let's browse to the asset. No. God damn it. That's just an eyesore too. Okay. What was the other thing here? Let's go ahead and kick that back on. So something else that is here is, wait. There was a portal here, yeah? And now it is not here. That is not cool. But there is a portal here. And now it doesn't get blasted out by the sun. They're still using just basic pistols, by the way. Base pistols. Nuking. That teleport felt a little sudden, but that is the nature of teleport, which is why he always warns us against using it, which I find really funny that it's in use now. Also, the teleporter doesn't count as a wall. Alright. Oh my god, I have 1 health. We're gonna cap C. I'm gonna die. Hey, we got some points. Whew. Magic pixel, as they say. There we go. So that health pack was worth 25 health. I'm pretty sure if I go up there, I'm going to probably die instantly. And I think Q is actually the grenade button. Wow. Their detection is like that no matter what. It's what I really dislike about the quote-unquote learning experience for this particular game, is that they're having to piece together how they're doing this on the spot, because originally what's supposed to be put in this module is tried true Unreal Tournament editor. And that's been well practiced. All of the content has been made for it, tested thoroughly, all the bugs are known, everything is identified. And in this, everything is just, even the teachers are learning it. Hey, yo. Oh, god damn pistol. Yeah, no, they melt you. In the main map that it uses for demos, not this this one was custom made by my instructor, by the way. He just kind of slapped this together real quick. So in the main level, whenever I'm wondering where they are, I literally just go to the highest point in the map and use the boost jump there, so it basically launches me up into the air, and within seconds I know exactly where they are, because as soon as they have a direct line of sight to me, boom, immediately start nuking me. It feels like I'm playing Overwatch. There we go. So since we, instead of going to quitting outright, we went ahead and loaded into the main menu for the Lyra. So we're going to go ahead and let's check some things. Let's see what's available in the settings here. Not effective to run with game to test or change your... Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's not what I wanted. What do we have for video? Okay. Good color strength. Keep everything at medium. Yeah, no, I want to keep things nice and capped off here. As much as I enjoy the concept of being able to do unlimited, not while we're on stream, it tends to be problematic. Hey, Tori, what's up? Welcome, welcome. On the Facebook side of things. Alright. We've seen what's there. Keyboard and mouse, that's fine. What I was actually hopefully looking for was was something to change the reticle color, but it looks like I might have to just go in and manually find a way to change the color for that by editing the widget. So we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit play Lyra. Existing session of the game type or start a new online game. Okay, start a game. Any type with other players or bots. We're gonna do a local AI combatants, bots enabled, network offline, destroy blocks, collect power-ups, and avoid getting exploded in this top-down party game. Find and eliminate enough enemies to win this classic head-to-head team deathmatch. The control is the one that I was familiar with already. Let's see what checkered is. I haven't seen that yet. This will be an experience for all of us here. Myself included. Uh-huh. It's Bomberman. Hey, yo. I don't know why I didn't realize the simplicity of good old-fashioned Bomberman until now. Like, I can make all this. I think I gotta be careful with it. Yeah, as I collect those, I'm making a much stronger product here. Woo. 8 bombs, 7 range, 9 bombs. Complete! Right? We did the thing. We are successful. Oh. Okay, and then when you die, you don't get a reset or anything? It's okay. That's interesting. Interesting choices, but... Alright, cool. Bomberman was the thing. Yeah, I just decided to spam the fuck out of it right there at the end. Let's go ahead and show the start a game. Network is off. We're gonna go ahead and go into this control, and you're gonna see what I meant. You done, son? I forgot what the melee key was, but you're not gonna want to melee in this, because if you're getting that close and you're not using a shotgun... Look at this! Look at it! I loaded in and they're already shooting at me. I think there might be, like, protections that you get when you load in. Feeling a little laggy. The hell off my teammate. Oh, he died anyway. Nice try. Oh man, they used my computer name as my name in this. Oh, yep, there they are. They're trying to take my conquest. One tap. See, I'm familiar with this map more because there's cover and stuff, and I have my method already built for it. Damn. Darn. Oh, since when did you start dodging that, huh? Bastard. No! 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 Too far. No! Where? Where? Oh my god. My own teammate. Where? Where'd they go? They must have cycled to the left. I definitely feel like I should heal before really going at it. I feel like that was a win. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Alright. So this is like Lyra base game stuff. Shift to dodge, all that fun stuff. Q is to toss the grenade. Here we've got a bunch of other med packs. Where are they? They're here, I think. Oh. Brother, you are really gonna ignore me like that. My teammate's just gonna do the non-confrontational route of following up behind them. This spot's taken, bud. Thanks for checking in. What's your coding looking like for that? That's what I thought. Where's your friend? You take that. Hello? Fuck. Set on the rotation of the 3 points and then just shoot whatever they can detect. Yeah, no, absolutely. That's the base premise of it. And their detection is pretty spot on. You at though? I hear you. Hello? Spread somehow not enough at point blank? Yeah, no, they are absolutely overkill. Motherfucker! It feels like their spread isn't as offensive either. Hello? How did you just come out of there and know to start shooting? That makes no sense! What is your target acquisition speed? They're doubling down! Really? Fuck off. He went up here to get the extra weapon. Interesting. I didn't know they'd go and get those. I thought they'd be more focused on the one that was in the middle, honestly. It's not gonna be good for me. Uh-oh. I tried to throw a grenade. Unfortunate death. Unfortunate life. Defeated. Yep, by 1 point. By 1 point. Alright, so it looks like the middle number is the necessary amount to win or lose. Or, the necessary amount needed to... Yeah, the middle amount, that's grayed out. That's the, required amount. And then there's the amount for each team based on color. See, I only get accuracy when I'm... Yeah, no, that's not kosher. That's bullshit. Okay, cool. You got him. Run away! Alright. Let's see what I can maybe get. There's no one there. Oh. Oh, okay, I see. I swear to God, if you snipe me with a shotgun, I'm gonna be so pissed. She just spawned in. She had some protection. Yeah, no, the AI is kind of giga busted for a training thing. Nope, nope, nope. Ah, you. They killed me before I hit the death C limit. That's nutty. That's still busted as well. The interactions with the forward booster get kind of broken when you're aiming or when you are doing anything that affects your speed, which it shouldn't because the booster is like you're in the air. Yeah, I'm just gonna let them kill me. There you go. They are really crazy. We're gonna stop playing in the editor entirely, and then we're gonna take a look at some of these things. So I don't care about those basic shapes. Characters. That's the character default. That's heroes. Oh really? Ah. Abilities. Ooh, here we go. Hero death, hero heal, hero jump, crouch, jump touch. Okay. Ability with widget. Widget extension. Damn. On ability added. UI extension subsystem. See, this is the kind of shit that I know. This is why I know that I am nowhere near ready to jump into like the heavy game design stuff. Like, I legitimately don't know. I know that these are arrays. I don't mess with gameplay tags too much. And UI elements are still an entirely new beast to me. That's how I know I'm not ready. Like, I love when the homies gas me up, don't get me wrong, but I can feel it in my soul when it's just like fear locking me up, and when it's like legitimate, I don't know enough. Not to do the things that I want to do. Not yet. So we keep working at it. Alright, so shooter core content. Bot. Oh, here we go. That's the shooter bot spawner. That's crazy. AI controller. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh, we actually have some, okay. Initialize Blackboard. Wait for experience ready. Okay. And then on ready. Run a behavior tree target self. Behavior tree object reference, which is probably set up during the rest of the game loading. Which then find event on death started. Lyra health component. Interesting. For controlled pawn, on death started, clear value, enemy name key, okay. Spawn, respawn, start team ID, and update team, okay. Brain component, meaning, okay. Event on unpossessed, you take the unpossessed pawn, and then on death started, you go ahead and, okay. Request team attitude update, interesting. I don't know what that is. A request stimuli listener update. AI perception. Yeah, where's the AI perception? That's what I want to know. There we go. Oh yes. AI sense is sight. So the dominant sense, definitely sight. Where's the AI sight config? Alright. We're gonna explore. AI perception, find target, find weapon, move against enemy, find control point. AI perception, enemy. Actors perceived by barrier, so the radius is the perception range. Perception range limit still applies. Alright, so I need to... Oh. Interesante. Alright, so this isn't what I'm looking for. No, that's still just an AI module. I need... action component. So context, control points, context, target, enemy. Provide single location, get AI control, get blackboard, get value as target, enemy name, key, cast to actor, get actor location, return node. Node terminates the function's execution and returns output parameters to where? Event graph? Nothing? Nowhere? So that's just a piece of something else. Oh, hey, there's the control point stuff. Effects, elimination, game cues. Sorry I'm quiet. Oh, also, gotta keep this up. Sorry about that. Sorry I'm quiet again. I am This is my first time seeing something of this scale, and this is what my instructor was trying to impress upon us, is that sometimes we'll jump into a project in the professional world, get added to a team, and we'll be handed a game that is already made and have to work with things that are already there. So it would be our job as, you know, designers and professionals to not make a whole bunch of vacuum noises in the middle of a meeting. Yeah, that totally blasted it out of my head. No, it's to impress upon us how difficult it is to kind of just jump in, and that we need to be vigilant about it. Shooter Explorer content. Oh yeah, that's right. These things are all kind of like existing here. Let's go back to content and like what's even the name of the bots? Like I don't under. If I open level blueprint, it's not going to tell me anything because there's nothing in these. They didn't do anything through the level blueprint itself. That's definitely like the player character. Yes, I did. And yes, she does. You have to name it when you download the software. And you sync it up, it asks for its name. So she's Rachel Roomba. And my Brava Mopper is Bailey Brava. I'm creative. Chocolatey. Facts, it makes my brain happy. I'm still looking for the all important. Ooh, hang on. Then I will enjoy the taste of your mild disappointment like I'm enjoying this cookie. And like I enjoy many a cookie. Yeah, probably. Rumbio and Braviette. Oh my god. Oh, hey, admin, this is the Dark Souls of multiplayer games. Yeah, no, seriously, it is. I'm sorry I didn't notice that, chat. I've got 3 screens splayed out in front of me, and a lot going on. My ADHD allows me to focus on a bunch of things, but you're like at the farthest right there. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, the Lyra's AI is nuts, and I'm trying to find the actual like AI blueprints. Unless it's literally just spawning a Unreal Engine mannequin and then attaching the components to it afterwards. which honestly I can kind of believe. Which is why I'm trying to dig for stuff. I feel like it would belong in the core content, right? A bot. And this is where I was before. It doesn't feel like things are correct here. That's the thing. This right here is, that's the icon for an AI brain right there. Hold on, shooter bot spawner. Let me take a look at this. Random bot names. Look at that. We can change the bot names here. Number of bots to create, 3. Okay. Let me take a look around here. So each time we've spawned kind of somewhere around here. Also, I'll need to take a look at those. Just a bunch of Lyra player starts. See, I knew there was supposed to be one of these here, and it disappears. It's nutty. And see, we don't know anything about these yet. Like these crazy blueprint functions. I also hate when they make them that. I know it's easier to read that way when you zoom in, because it's like, oh yeah, I could see that, I could see that. But then it's like, you're seeing things 2 or 3 boxes at a time, and that's how you like tunnel vision on a spot that you might be breaking things and making them work within that section, but you're inadvertently breaking things down the line. In this case, I'm just kind of talking on my ass, it feels, because I'm trying to look through all this and figure out their work. There's the control point scoring. Show leaderboard. Is this the widget? Widget class. Villain tags. The cost of the ability. So show leaderboard is an ability somehow. AI controller, Lyra shoot control point, shooter bot spawner control point. I think we may have found the possible brain for it. Asset. That's the behavior tree. Oh, okay, here we go. Out of ammo, looks for weapons, clear focus, check ammo, search for weapon, remove 2. Interesting. They misspelled enemy. Target enemy. Funny. Alright, but so long as they make that same mistake consistently, it's not gonna break anything. Just gonna dumb it down a bit. Yeah, essentially that's what I'm doing. Find best position, move to, that's crazy. It actually will decide what is its best position. The order in which they're executed. Nice. Start with 0 and then it just goes to either or. Search new weapons, search for player. I want to see this. Where is this? Where is search for? Wow, wow. We're not gonna mess with that. Perception component is not. So the perception's getting added later. So I need to find where their AI perception is being dictated and fix that. Test auto run, test base, test fire. What is this? That makes no sense to me, so don't fuck with it. That tells me. Woo! Go back to bot. This is the thing that makes the most sense to me to change, because here we see the AI perception. But I'm trying to find this AI perception, the AI site config, so that way I can... Oh, motherfucker, I just had to expand it. I just had to expand the shit. In my infinite wisdom, I have located the answer to the situation. I love that I just refreshed these goddamn subtitles, and because they didn't hear me talking immediately, they went ahead and decided not to pay attention. That is nutty. That is wild. Are you listening now, Mr. Krabs? Can you hear me yet, Mr. Krabs? You can't. Why? Reset. For right now, thank you. Okay. Okay? Okay. Sheesh. Okay. The captions are more... Oh, they're even more messed up than before. Lovely. So, obviously, they're going to be working on those and fixing them. I may be less inclined to work with them for the moment. So, the rest of the stream, I might not give a damn about refreshing it. So, I'm just going to kind of close my properties there, because this is very, very problematic at the moment, and I do apologize. We have had some issues in the past before with this, but these guys are generally very good, and for a free service, I'm not really willing to, you know, branch away. I'm gonna have faith that they're gonna fix it, especially since I've already reached out and they've given their word that they are looking into it. So, fingers crossed. Ah, oh, fuck, I clicked away. Okay, so the site radius is 5,000 units, and then the loose site radius is 6,000 units, and then what is this? Peripheral vision half angle degrees? How far to the side the AI can see in degrees. So the AI can see a full 90 degrees to their left and right. That's a little much. We're going to tone that down to about a 75-degree cone on either side. Detection by affiliation. Detect enemies. Yeah, that's fine. Auto success range from last seen location. If not an invalid range, which is the default, we will always be able to see the target that has already been seen if they are within this range of their last seen location. Ooh, that's shitty. Yeah, no, we keep that. We keep that off. That's that shit that people leave on for Five Nights at Freddy's fan games right there, where as soon as they see you, you're dead. They're just gonna stay chasing you no matter what. Alright, max age. Specifies age limit after stimuli generated by this sense becomes forgotten. 0 means never. Okay, so starts enabled AI damage sense. That's crazy. What's the damage sense? Like debug color red, max age 1? That's just it? It senses it? So the dominant sense is absolutely sight. And I feel like we can definitely fix this perception. But also, is it really the perception that's well, the perception definitely is hard. The perception is definitely fucking nutty. Let me forgive me if things froze up for a second. I just needed to screenshot this and attempt to save it. Just in case. I'm gonna save this in my level design folder. Yep. Didn't give it a special name or anything, that's fine. Is there no way to change the AI's action relay? Oh, there absolutely is. I'm just trying not to change so much that I wind up breaking stuff because I'm not as experienced as people that made this demo game. But I feel like I know enough to be able to kind of baby step my way forward and kind of inch my way through their code and through their product here to at least educate myself on the things that I need. And having messed with AI in very, very, very slightly in Unreal 4 when I wasn't supposed to, I had a feeling that I would find an AI sense component somewhere, and I just needed to, you know, specifically find the explanation, like its logic for its vision cone. I needed to understand where its radius of detection is. And since they like to do everything with, like, you don't have the enemies already stagnantly in the stage, you just have spawners and they will appear. There's nothing for me to click on for me to go ahead and say, okay, this is the exact thing that they are spawning in. These are the things that are in it. Let me click on the things that are in it, find those blueprints, and do all that. Now I have to go through the folders and pick through and find these random things for me to try and, like, find what I need, because of the fact that, like, when the game starts, it just spawns those enemies. But there's nothing in the level blueprint because they didn't do it through the level blueprint. So I don't know where this thing is being called that at the start of the game it spawns X amount of enemies with whatever happened. But at the same time, I also do know where and how that's being called, and there is a component somewhere that you get to set the game mode here for the game, and that is where it is deciding, okay, if I load this game mode, these are like the subroutines that I will follow, and these are the things that I will load, and blah 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 blah. It's how the game defines itself, like going between just starter content, between the first-person template and the third-person template. Those are two different game modes. So when you select one, the Unreal Engine just says, okay, so we're going to go into first-person game mode. So we're going to generate all the first-person blueprint starter content that you would need. We're not going to give you the third-person character blueprint. It's useless to you because you're in a first-person game. That's fine. And that's how it thinks. And that's how it'll give it to you. So I have a feeling that they created a custom game mode, several custom game modes, and then have all of their information kind of being exchanged behind the scenes like that. But with that said, I'm going to have to kind of guess with this AI sense, and I think it needs to drop down at least 3,000 there, and we'll make that, yeah, 4,000 there is fine. We've already reduced the cone a little bit. Point of view move back distance for cone calculation in conjunction with your clipping distance to select as close by awareness and peripheral vision. Okay, that's fine. Debug color, not messing with that. I don't care about the damage sense. Okay. I already got pictures. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to a different level first off. Convolution. Yeah. Here we go. I like this one a little bit more for trying to get... This is what I'm going to use for the AI range perception stuff. Alright, let's see. I'm not getting shot at immediately. Where is it? When are you going to notice me? Right there? That's good. That's good! Alright. That feels way better. I did indeed smooth its whole goddamn brain out. I ironed that thing. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I need to... Ah. Oh no. I can jump up here now and they don't immediately nuke me out of the sky. No! Okay. Their aim is still good. Their aim is still good, but it's nowhere near what it used to be. This is much less oppressive and feels more appropriate. Alright, we got the double elim. I need to go ahead and heal. So we're gonna jump up here. I noticed them already taking that. Oh, they're taking two of them. Both of them. I didn't notice the one that was in the middle. That was good. That was well done. They got a double cap. They ain't gonna get a triple cap on me, though. Not after I did, in fact, smooth its brain right the F out. That's right. I said the F out. What you gonna do about it? Uh-oh. How did he one-shot me? And I... alright. He one-shot me because AI. Let me not, get all panicky and bitchy. Not just yet. Although they are now beating the crap out of my teammate, and I... Wait. Where? Oh, frack. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, God. Yes. Get them. Good boy, tin plate. I need... Nope. Nope, don't. Oh, I didn't want you to fall that far. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Was that a double? No, it wasn't. Oh! You fuck! That was so disrespectful. He's gonna get me again right here. Look at that! The spread is killing me, but they can still tag me from that distance. Oh, that's right. Phrasing is different around different places. I really need to just delete that word from my vocabulary. Oh boy. Gone. Blitzed. I need to... Where's their... I need to find their aim logic. That's what I need to find. Stop playing editor. I'm nerfing these guys. Ugh. Okay. AI perception's there. Path following. Actions comp. What's actions comp? Let's find out what actions comp is. Find in references. No references found. Actions comp. We need to find out what actions comp is. Shoot about spawner. We know what that is. The tester thing. This is really important. Is it animation blueprint? Time limit per step. Step to highlight mode. All. Should be visible in game. I don't know what this is for. Lyra shooter bot, allowed to fire. What is this? Blueprint class. Can player bots attack? Yes. Should game logic load cosmetic backgrounds in the editor? Always return to accept when playing an editor with load cosmetic. What is? Why is it a Lyra development statistic? I have so many questions. Nothing in the event graph. BT decorator, that's what that is enemy find. BTS set focus. Owner controller. Event received activation AI. So it sets the focus, get the AI controller, blackboard stuff, target enemy. Which they grossly fucking misnamed. clear focus, search for weapon, move to task, have ammo. AI perception used to detect enemy, clear focus, reload weapon. Tag edit input, tag weapon reload. I see, interesting. ETS shoot. Here we go. It's a shoot script. I think we're about to nerf these fucking bots. Has more weapon. Alright. Lyra Equipment Manager, Lyra Weapon Instance, valid inputs, alright. Inventory instance, current weapon definition, defining the current weapon, statistics, get component class of Lyra Inventory Manager, okay. Still have ammo in the current weapon, okay, can shoot. No ammo in current magazine is misspelled, but magazine, can't shoot, understood. Change to a new weapon that still have ammo. No ammo in current magazine, and if you don't have any ammo at all, then change to a new weapon that still has ammo, if you have a weapon, which you should. So when those all work, this is all in just get current weapon. Then we go here. Event, receive tick AI, get current weapon, send gameplay event to actor. And the gameplay event to send to the actor is fire. Input tag weapon fire. Okay. Let's find out. Input tag weapon fire then, correct? Let's learn. Here's a blueprint for weapon fire. Yeah, oh yeah, this is it right here. This has to be it. First off, oh, boo-boo. I'm compressing you, I'm sorry. And I'm known to give good compressions. There you go. What? Why are you so far away from? Oh, too much. My bad. Just want that. Get you nice and close to your people again. Okay. The rest of that looks good to me. So, on event fire, which definitely doesn't need to have these massive strings. I feel like it could definitely be pressed in a bit here. Feel too spread out. I can't see everything. I'm gonna panic. Panic ensuing. Panic worsen. No. Alright, so sequence. Custom event fire. So this just kind of exists here because other things would call event fire here. So in order to do that, we're going to pack a bowl. Yeah, that needs some freshness. I'm not smoking the other joint just yet because it's primarily purples, and that will that'll basically check me out. And not the way that Vic checks me out. Like, I'll be done. I will be done for the evening after that. Perps do get me deep. Giggity, giggity. Giggity, 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 giggity. Slumber, yes, of course. That's what we were all thinking of. Yep, see, there he is. There's the boy. So, Vic, we learned how to nerf the bots. Which means that I'm fairly confident if I were to look at a certain other game's bots, I could buff them and make them viable in regular play, just in case anyone, you know, disconnects from a match on a hook. Not mentioning any game names, but, you know, if someone dies on first hook, or disconnects, you can just bot it up. Not dies on first hook and then get a bot, but, you know, like if, you know, if someone just decided to, I don't want to be here anymore, just get a bot. Make it a good one. Gonna throw up. Just kidding, just kidding. We're good. We're good, folks. Whew. Enable muzzle flash. We have that. Oh, bead by baylight. Yeah. Enable shell eject. Okay, yeah. Shell eject. That's crazy. Muzzle flash. Crazy. Tracer. Crazy. Destroy actor if all systems are inactive. Only check every n seconds. Muzzle flash trigger. Send trigger update. User impact positions. Send impact position array to Niagara system. Tracer triggers, update triggers for the shell ejections. Okay, but what about the actual firing? Hello? Where is this called? Find references. Oh, good lord. Muzzle flash system, tracer system, event graph, fire, print string, end string, default fire. Okay. I don't want to find uses of this here. I want to find other instances where this is called. Yeah. Weapon, pistol, shotgun, and that blueprint that we have. Let's max screen this and take a look. Alright, so we've got the flip book for the muzzle flash, we've got the flip book for the side muzzle flash, so we've got the front angle, side angle, diffused muzzle flash smoke. This is all the shit that goes into, like, all the minor details in games, by the way. All of this is just to create the weapon firing. Like, everything on the right of this is firing your weapon. These are the things that are generated to create the look, the mathematics, everything behind it is all right there, and then there's all the blueprints that are using this particular, like, that are calling this system. Just to explain what we're looking at here. These emitters are all basically effect emitters. Particle light, weapon trigger. Sub-image variants, I don't think those are going to be the things here. Multiply linear color. Convert position to vector. Make vector 4 from float. Random. Range, float, random range, integer, float from curve, float from vector. Okay, I think these floats are at, there's how many collapse nodes? Ooh! That's the actual weapon firing! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Audio of me pogging? Yeah, no, absolutely. What the fuck? Y'all see that? Oh my god. I hit collapse on that and it said, oh. It didn't even ask me, like, are you sure? It just said, boom. Okay. So this is what we've already seen. Color initialize mode, emitter states, infinite loop durations, lifetime modes, mass initializations, size, scale, sprite, sub-UV lookups, UVs, curl noise quality, expansion modes, randomness evaluation, randomness modes, inactivity modes, inheriting velocity, interesting. Tiling curve, okay. That looks sexy. Yes, yes it does. It is really nice. I like when it's compressed and a little messy looking to most, but my brain really likes how that's all so aligned. Oh my god, that is what we in military terms would call dress right dress, and it makes me very, very happy. I want to take a look at a random range float. And that's screen damage direction. Random ranges creating the character spawns. That's crazy. I had a feeling. Grenade explosions, grenade trails, dusty flip boats, rocks. Damage numbers. Damage numbers are on a random range float. Oh, I think it's the floating of the damage numbers, actually. Go. Woo! Oh yeah, no, we're deep in engine territory with that one. Let's plug that back up a little bit. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna find a viable solution to kind of increase the spread of their aim a little bit. I wasn't going to make them like stormtroopers, but I wanted to see if I could at least increase the randomness, the range of the randomness spread, because there's no way they should not be able to hit such consistent damage from a distance like that. Especially since I need to check some of the weapons, actually. Ability set, shooter, pistol, shooter, shotgun. Interesting. What is this? reload weapon, fire pistol, auto reload. They turn these into abilities instead. Oh my god, the reticle? Oh, yes, please. No, we need a different color. We absolutely need color changes here. Woo! Oh no, we get this. Alright, so crosshairs. The hit marker confirmations are fine, I feel. But these crosshairs, they need a tint. And I'm gonna go with a bright green tint, actually. Not the elimination marker. The target dot, we're gonna make that not so much red. Nah, it's gonna have to be around the same color as the rest of it. It'll bother me if it's not. And what about this outer crosshairs hit marker confirmation? Where is this? Is that like the main box around? Outer reticle? No, we're cool with that. What about this? Color and opacity. No. Marker confirmation. For hit marker. I don't think I need that either. Available for editing, that is. That's 4 arrayed elements. So what about the main circle? Oh, there it is. Outer. Go figure. Compile, save. Input tag, weapon reload. We could probably take care of weapon reload speeds and everything like that too. But we won't. The weapon reloads feel okay to me. It's mainly the bots that are feeling kind of really oppressive to any kind of gameplay experience. Okay. Also, there are some things that I need to fix feel-wise for certain things, but I'll get to that. Best believe I'll get to that. Pistol ammo counter. I do like that. That can stay. ID pistol. Interesting. There's the firing montage. Auto rate. Ah, nice, nice. Impact norms, all that stuff. Nice. Ability activation. Okay. Additional cost, none. Okay. Alright. It's fine. Let's take a look at the pistol. This doesn't look like the information I require from the pistol. Ah, here we go. Maybe. Auto receive input disabled. Okay. Data only. Default values are shown. It does not have any script or variables, so this doesn't have anything else in it. Yet it shows an image. Oh no, that's someone just slapped that on there, obviously. Let's check the weapon instance. Pistol. Bullets per cartridge, 1. Maximum damage range is... Oh, wow. That is quite the range there. So that bullet doesn't seem to really have fall off, does it? Material damage multiplier. Gameplay zone weak spot. Okay, so that obviously you hit a weak spot, you deal double damage. So we've got our double damage multiplier on there. That's cool. But that does tell me that this is... Oh, there's the spread. Oh my god. Heat to spread curve. Heat to... Oh my god, yes. Player parameters. Oh my god. Vic. Jesus Christ. Oh. Quick with it. Appreciate that. Melee attack animation montages, material damage multipliers, distance up, bullet trace sweep, max damage range. Hey yo, the rib cage is here. You have to. You're correct. It is easy to spread. I appreciate your willingness to make it your duty to do so. And the answer to the question is probably yes. Okay. This is the weapon instance information. I don't really need the animation stuff. But these firing parameters... Ah! Spread exponent. Affects how tightly shots will cluster around the center line when the weapon has spread, which is not perfect accuracy. Means uniformity within the spread range. Higher values will cause shots to be closer to the center, and a default 1, which means uniformly within the spread range. The heat to spread curve is fine. No heat on the pistol. Spread recovery delay cooldown 0.2 seconds. Allow first shot accuracy. When both player and weapon spread are at minimum value. No. I feel like that might be giving the bots the ability to get that perfect accuracy. Okay. Which transition to and from standing still accuracy. I see. Spread multiplier while jumping or falling. Smoothly blended to based on transition rate, jumping or falling. I think just by checking off that first shot accuracy, it might help us out. And let's see what that what the value of that, so at 8 heat, the spread is at basically 12. Okay. I think we got some good information here. I'm gonna reduce this max damage range though for pistol. 20,000. Good luck with everything. Gonna try and reset my sleep schedule. Good night. Good night, Smoke King Bone. Being here, Tone. This doesn't look like the stuff for damaging stuff. Costs, failure tags, log cancellation. Yeah, no, this ain't it. Weapon, pistol, fire. Anything else in here? Oh, hello. On burst, send weapon fire. Strength at 0.1. Get Lyra weapon. Okay, so you get the Lyra weapon. Get the impact positions. Is it making an array out of the normalized location parameters? In case we hit nothing. For weapon sounds, early reflections. Okay, interesting. Target is B weapon. Okay. None of the rest of this really seems editable. Oh wow, what did I open? Weapon audio functions. Yeah, let's not worry about that. Whiz by. Yeah, no, we're cool with those two. ID pistol. That's just all the various states of the pistol, I think. WID pistol. Ability sets to grant. It grants the shooter pistol actors to spawn. Spawns the pistol, attaches it to weapon R, which is right-handed, and then the transform, it gives the rotation. Interesting. I'm learning about all the various ways to break things down, which is kind of important because one of the things that I don't do enough is create blueprints to attach into my blueprints. So, it's interesting. It's definitely interesting. I need to modify the shotgun as well. Because it also, I believe, has that, got fucked up. Ooh, I could put more bullets in the, in each pop. Distance, damage, fall off. Let's see. Okay. That's such a sudden drop. Why? And if you just make this an auto, fire parameters go down. They don't have that first shot accuracy for this one. That's crazy. Spread angles and everything. The shotgun does feel good. That's why I usually go for it. But I did feel that its damage range just needed to be tweaked. That one can go to linear, actually. That auto will keep this one. I like that gradual decline from there. .75 with this. I guess because there's so many bullets, it makes sense. Spread component. Normal, fine. 8 second, get up to how much of a spread? Yeah, no, that makes sense. I don't want to mess with that any further. Last bit, let's take a look at that rifle. What do we have? Guaranteed first shot accuracy, that's fine. The spread, I actually kind of want to reduce that a bit more. Get the spread curve, that's fine. Where's the other thing? Gameplay tag, weak zone. You're gonna give the pistol a 2x multiplier and not give this a 2x multiplier? Nah. We're dropping that pistol down to 1.5 as well. Nah, 1.75. We're gonna go back to that and set it to 1.75. Ooh, look at that range! Oh yeah, okay, yeah, no, this one can stay. That max damage range, it's the rifle. It's supposed to be fucking nutty. For range, at least. All the other aim stuff should be good. We're gonna go back to that pistol because ain't no goddamn way I'm gonna let that continue. I already nerfed the range of it, but the fact that they set the weak spot value, the damage multiplier, to 2x naturally, like the pistol had the highest headshot multiplier in the game. No. 1.65, just because I don't want it to have a higher headshot multiplier than the goddamn shotgun. Because it's easier to get the headshots with a pistol. Ooh, the grenade. Let's take a look at that curve damage. Okay. So obviously the curve here is from 0 to 1, name curve time 0. Okay, so that's gonna be like distance and damage. Distance of 0, max damage. Max distance of 1 gets that. Okay, I understand your curve. Grenade cooldown. I like that. The widget for it. It's neat. Damage, grenade. What do we want to do for this, if we do anything for it? The this isn't something that we want. Cast a grenade, team polar. I see. The event graph. Nope. It's all just that on burst. Okay. That's the cooldown data. Alright. Oh, hey, look, it's the grenade. Maybe this is where I get to set. Oh, there we go. Timer before explosion. The radius. Look at that. I'm buffing the grenades. Oh, yeah, buddy. Set that to a 700 radius, and technically... Alright, so fun fact for people. A generally fully functional grenade has about a 3 to 4 seconds after you release the plunger. And yes, that is what it's called, but when you pull the pin and you're still holding that plunger down, that pin is holding that plunger in place, so the pin isn't the magical key here. You pull that pin out and you're still holding it, you can technically just keep holding on to it, but that's technically cooking it off. It is going to, once you release that plunger, you're still going to have that same amount of time, but you're going to want to throw it really quick. Don't be the person that tries to guess how, or try and do a countdown so that way as you're throwing it, it blows up in someone's face. That's not a smart idea, because sometimes a grenade will, you know, not adhere to the strict 3 to 4 second thing, and then you're screwed. So I was about to say I could set it to random 3 to 4 seconds, but no, I'm gonna leave it at the 2. You know what? We'll cut it in half. Cut it in half! I mean, cut it in half from actual regular timing of 3 seconds. Get it that 1.5. Concern velocity shouldn't be changed. God damn. God damn. I'm here, I'm alive, I'm sorry. I've just been looking at this code already way too much. Teleport grenade. Conserve velocity before deactivating movement. Teleport, then multiply the exit. Oh my god. Entirely too much. That grenade teleport is just fine. Oh wait. Grenade teleport. So it goes through the teleporter. This code makes it possible for the... Oh my god, that's awesome. Hit event trigger audio always explode if hit enemy pawn. Ooh, okay, so yeah, so when I hit an enemy pawn, it just auto detonates. Spawn sound at location. Anything else on there? Auto destroy. No, whenever I try and spawn sound at location. Oh wait, that's spawn sound at location, not play sound at location. Got them. I get them. I understand now. I'm starting to use the spawn thing at location myself. That makes it actually a little bit easier to control and manipulate the elements that I'm trying to work with. Ugh. Detonate. Reliable. Replicated to all if server. Okay. Let's see. Detonate grenade. Actually, free stream grenade explosion. That's crazy. That's for the online stuff for event. pawn / grenade blocking one another. Ignore actor when moving. Cool. Set VFX roll with custom colors. Nice. You set the timer, post-launch cleanup, and detonate timers, which is going to set the time before explode, which I just changed. Nice. Allow velocity to drive rotation. That's crazy. That's the post-launch cleanup. Yeah, it waits for a certain amount of time, so it'll be out of the range of the player, of the player's mesh, so that way it can go ahead and do all of the other stuff that it needs to do to launch that grenade forward. And eventually hit this detonate script for, let's see, detonate, do once. Fire gameplay cue for VFX audio, hide mesh disable. Sets the mesh hidden in game. I've done that. Execute gameplay cue on actor burst. Okay. Location set, make gameplay cue parameters, match tags, all that other stuff. Projectile movement is deactivated. The switch has authorities. You're over on server. Okay, that's server stuff. Capture all pawns in detonation radius. Yeah, that makes sense. Only continue detonation checks if there were valid pawns in radius. Okay. So if false, wait until NS trail completes before destroying grenade actor. Neat. Iterate through all pawns. Make effect context for the grenade damage gameplay effect with throwing player as instigator. Okay. Iterate through all pawns in radius. Trace. Check for valid hit on current pawn target while ignoring other pawns in radius so they don't block the hit. Hot damn. I'm sorry, I just suddenly started yawning a lot. It's crazy. I might need to take a 15-minute break. Yeah, I'm gonna take a 15-minute break in a couple minutes. If it stretches to 20 minutes, I apologize. My intention is to make something warm to eat. Maybe something hot. I don't know yet. Alright, apply grenade damage, gameplay effect to applicable targets. Gameplay effect. I already set my my damage stuff on the grenade, so I feel better about it. The movement, gravity scale, yada yada yada, initial speed, max speed. Nice. That's why the grenades go out so quickly. And there is a bounce to it. Alright, nice. Alright. Everything else seems fine. Oh, velocity forward and then slightly up. I see. That generates the arc that we see, along with the gravity scale. Nutty. Gives me ideas on how to turn the grenade into a rocket. But let's not. We've made a lot of tweaks. Let's see what happens. That's what I thought. For you see, when we have the power of a developer on our side, oh, we are your god. Where's the other one? Oh no, not Boddington. I need like to check this out just a little bit. No! I didn't mean to accidentally throw myself into another portal. God, that was awful. Nope. Yep. Oh man, that dude spawned right there again too. Let me just get right back to it. Yo, where's my homie at? Oh, I see. The homie was helping secure. Uh-oh. Pop your leg out. Oh my god. Point blank, shotgun blast? No? Okay. Did they turn and shoot my corpse? Because if so, disrespect. Oh, what's up? Oh shit. I fucked that up. There's 2 out of 3, which means they're here. Should be around here. Snakes. Okay. I see where they're going. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Fuck out my house. That's right, Boddington. You do your job. You do a damn good job, Boddington. Get the double down. Get the capture. All in a day's work. Defend the home base. Walk out my house. Did you just took the goddamn health back? Boddington. Boddington, buddy, brother. I need you not to be disrespecting. Yeah. Let's go. It doesn't go faster with 2 people on it. That's interesting. That's something that we could add. Oh! Next squeeze. How? How did I miss all of that? Okay. That was good. We were able to get a win. It felt a lot better. It felt like the things that I messed up on were things that I messed up on versus an AI just being oppressively strong. Their weapons are no longer overpowered. They can't snipe us from across the map with a pistol. This feels better immediately. Okay. Next things to tune. We're going to take a look at some of these jump pads here. Because I feel like when it launches us up, it might need to adjust our gravity scale as well. Because I kind of don't like the idea of What the hell is that above us? Nah, not that. Blocking volume for the sky? The sky has a fucking blocking volume. What? Why? What are you blocking? What? Why does this instance of a blocking volume exist for the sky that the character can step up on with custom collision? It only blocks the camera? I'm sorry, it blocks the camera and then world static like object responses, but for trace responses, it blocks camera traces. Okay. Interesting. Alright. You do you. Oh, hey, yeah, there's this thing down here, which was referred to as a reflection by the instructor. But I don't think it is because there's that, you know? And additionally, there's not really a reflection that happens when you're playing in game, because when you fall to your death, you don't see that down there. So I don't really know what these are for. It says ZZ stored, and it's a bunch of like generated stuff. But it exists here. It's loaded in, and I don't know why. And as a result of me not knowing why, I don't want to break it. Opening, custom cutter, mirrored locations, like... These are tools. Bevel the whole thing. B-tool advanced window. Used to generate walls, floors, doors. This is a complex geo tool. Understanding basic ones first is recommended. That's crazy. Add trim to wall extensions, custom cutter, beveled. They generated their stuff. That's wild. That's pretty wild. Alright. Crazy. And then these are baked static mesh actors. Ah, shit. I'm trying to be a baked static mesh actor too. The fuck you talking about? So just by doing what we've been doing here, and by tuning the things that I've tuned and having a better understanding and a better feel for how a lot of this is set up now, I feel like I can build around it. I feel like I can build an alternate map, as one would say. It's a bit of a bummer that they don't have... Well, I'm not going to say that they don't have pre-made assets, because I haven't looked for them yet. But now knowing that they used an advanced geo tool to create a bunch of stuff, that's like... I'm not going to be able to do that. I'm not going to be able to use the same thing they use to create the environment. So I'm just going to have to wing it with, you know, what I know, which I'm sure is his intention anyway. So we're going to see what we come up with. Shall see indeed. I have ideas, but we're gonna go ahead and take that break, and you know what, when we get back from the break, we might go ahead and load up something to actually play, because I think I have my understanding, and I don't want to start building just yet, because I don't want to build without creating my pre-production package. That needs to happen for me first, for me to know exactly where I'm going to take things. So we're going to hit the be right back slide, and we will do just that. Hello, it's me. So, we're gonna see how Dead by Daylight is. By that I mean we're gonna see just how busted it is. I have just found out that they apparently just had a new Dead Hard nerf on top of everything. So right now it's on the end of killers, more than likely. Um, so I'll play some Survivor, and once the game fully loads, I'll go ahead and load up the game capture. There we go. Yep. Bed die Baylight. Indeed. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pop off my camera for a little bit because I am still kind of eating. And those that know me know how I feel about that. In other words, stop looking at my face. Stop it. Much better. I'm glad I can be of service to you, Vic. Now, speak of services. Look at this, look at this. This is Thirst Trap. This is all Thirst Trap. But this is new. Oh, okay, I like that skin. I actually like that better than, like, anything else they've got for it. Is this a headless skin or just a skin without... Yeah, no, it's just a skin without a headpiece for it. I don't want any of those guys. What is this? A Nia Carlson skin that looks... Alright. Also looks alright. Yeah, no, what? The skins for... Okay, look at this. When I say they made her a Thirst Trap character, I mean it. Let's go back to store. Let's go back and click there, and then look at this. I'll go ahead and leave that there. While I go ahead and have a little bit more food here. But you tell me that they didn't design this character with the intent of just trying to make money as quickly as they could. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They went with the under boob. They went with the under cheek right there. I'm sorry. Did you use the term pants? No, 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 sweetheart. No, these aren't pants. This cannot be construed as pants. This is a torn up bodysuit of some sort for maximum fleshy debauchery. That's what this skin is. It's crazy that this one with the interesting strappy skirt is the least thirst trap one out of the two top skins here. I do like some of these other ones though. I did like the design for this character. 100% I like the design for the character. I do not like the perks. And if I don't like the perks, then that character has no purpose for me. Right? Ah. Ah. Yar. Oh, look, a new body skin for her. At the very least, it covers most of her body. Very nice. What about this? Oh, I... Let's see if I can menace. Let's see if I still remember how to menace. I'm sorry that there's a big black square on the screen right now where my face should be. I'm just trying to eat in peace before midnight. Abman 136. You were able to defeat the AIs without changing them in Lyra. Hell yeah. I'm not that good at first-person shooters, and I don't like when things can do things that they technically shouldn't be able to do in that kind of situation. It's one of my pet peeves, so I had to modify it. But the fact that you had the skill and the determination to do that, kudos. I'll give you a little bit of an applause here. Go ahead and just mark that occasion, because I literally spent an hour or so going ahead and deciding to nerf it instead of just learning to overcome it. I do not have the capacity for that, or else I'd be an FPS god by now. I will be marking the occasion of you making skin-slapping noises. Thanks for the reminder. Okay, perfect. I mean, we could make skin-slapping noises together. That's on the table. Or on the floor. Or on the wall. I don't know. You know, creativity is key. See, I can play those games too. Alright, I'll give you guys camera back because I'm not going to be eating while we're in game here. Oh. Oh, no, no, no! Did you walk off to the right with her? Please don't see me. Let's get you off there. That person is still literally crouch walking. That Claudette just ruined my shit. Woo-hoo-hoo! Menace behavior? Oh, you know you shouldn't have. Brother, you saw me. Is that... It isn't. Woo! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Yeah, come on. I had fun with that. No! Woo-wee! Come on now, Billy, let's get him! Come on now! Get on up here! Fuck! Yeah. Yeah. Nah, he's going for the hook up here. Shit. I forgot they put one up here. Oh well. Only one hook, one gen done in that time. He's about to open up the pit in here. Oh. He's got a curse. He's got a hex. Hex third seal because I'm blind. Okay. Now the question is he using third seal as a, is he using third seal as fodder to kind of proc people to wanna, to let him use Pentimento? Or is he just using it to block auras for the hell of it? I have to take it. Not gonna make it. See, this is the solo queue problem right now. There are two people that don't have any hook states on them, and neither of them went to make a save on me up here. And I don't think any of them is afflicted with a blind, because it was only me and the other person that got hooked. I might die here. I might legitimately die here. Oh my god, thank you. Hey, what's up? Thanks a ton. Please no. Please no. I'm literally blind, so I can't see. Oh, we're both almost dead. We are the two. I still remember some Menace play, but it wasn't the Menace play I wanted. Healing speed's reduced. Can feel it, definitely. This is taking a substantial investment of time. Smart young one. Woo! Okay. Alright. I'm still listening out. That's why I'm not talking as much. We see that he's currently committed to chasing I'm Dead Inside. If I can get a flashbang here before she... Nope, she went down. Alright, I need to find that totem. After completing this gen, I'm not going to abandon this chick while we're doing this. Just because we're so close. Alright. If he's smart, he's gonna start his chainsaw sprint and head straight over here. Alright, I know it was somewhere over... The hook was somewhere over there. Near basement area. But not quite at basement. Also, I am trying to keep an eye out for... Oh, they're already unhooked. I need to keep an eye out for that totem. Actually, I'm actively looking for that totem as, like, my primary objective right now, because I do not like the lack of information of not being able to see the auras of my dying teammates. have a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. And that the totem is hidden in the cornfields. Oh my god. You did what? Stay right here. Huh, I heard that. Quick little. Thanks, man, for the claps. Hey, you've earned more than just claps, but that's all I can provide for the accomplishment of facing those fucking oppressive bots. I did outsmart them when I was in class the other day because as I was messing with it, I figured out that like a particular range and how their AI was reacting. I was able to get consistent double kills, and I got a 15 kill streak on them pretty effectively. Yeah, buddy. Oh, come away. Whee! Gimme, 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 gimme. He's not chasing anyone right now. Acid Fuzz either healing or being healed. I think they're self-healing. I think Acid... no. Nope, 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 nope. Fuck. All kinds of fucked. I'm pretty sure the pallet in there is gone as well. Was that it? That was it. I found it. Fuck. I'm dead. I did find it though. And I was right. It was lost in the cornfield. There you go. Okay, camera, be gone. Be gone! Thought! Behold. Terrence Stewart, yes. Yes, indeed. I did die before daylight. But there was some fucky play, you know. Obviously, we're being kind of just mix and matched, I guess. Either way, it was an alright experience. I feel like I haven't forgotten everything. But then again, I always feel like Survivor is a generally slightly better experience overall than playing Killer. What do we have? Unhook? I do have someone with an unhook build. Excuses? Yeah, that's what an antagonist type of person would, you know, try and gaslight someone into believing. Let's see. Parental guidance, renewal, self-preservation, off the record. Yeah, let's see what I can potentially still accomplish. Decreases the speed inefficiently when healing yourself by 33%. Yep. A full heal does require 16 charges, so this should still be able to do that. Hopefully. We shall see. Oh man, my wet sock? No way. Holy shit, chat. Both my arms are dead. My exercise today is successful. My exercise yesterday was successful. I think I've earned my rest day tomorrow. Stream without any exercise craziness. Alright, so I was slurping up some ramen. And, yeah, I know, pause, phrasing, all that stuff. I looked over and I just saw that there are 2 terrible map offerings up, as well as, what I'm fairly certain was a Mori. Fun times. La da da da. Da. Please be Ghostface. Actually, I have a harder time playing against Ghostface just because Stealth Killer. I rely heavily on being able to, like, see Red Stain and hear. Usually I'll know it's a Ghostface not from getting marked or anything, but just from I'll hear the flaps of his coat. Oh hey, it's all the people. You stupid. If it's a Stocky Boy's gonna get his sip. I hear a terror radius. Nah, they coming for me? Baby girl! Baby girl! Oh, it's been so long! I heard your screeches from this side. Oh, I almost want to let you Mori me. It is. I noticed that sprint burst that you just wasted. You should be ashamed. Working on the bones. Working on the bones. Alright, looks like Nurse is chasing the wet sock. The Nurse has abandoned the chase on Funny Origin 4. Sometimes it's the smarter choice. Not sure if he was giving her the juice, El Hugo, or not. But we do know that we've got 2 injuries. 3 people on gens, 2 of which are me and this person. So, yeah, alright. I think we're in a good-ish spot. It would be better if we didn't have 2 injured and it's just 1 injured, not hooked yet. We'll be fine. It's gonna be a good time. Where's the Nurse? I want content. Come little children, I'll take thee away into a garden. Come on, Nurse! Come and get it. No? Nothing? Okay, I'm just gonna work on all the gens then. this is definitely a gen you wanted to keep, because you can tell this gen right here, that gen right there, and we know that there's always gen inside the barn. Content? That's not the C word I was expecting, I know, right? It's not the C word I usually say. Not when playing Dead by Daylight. That's for damn sure. I actually let my vision blur. There you go. Blinking. That's the thing. Da, 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 da. I can think of so many improvements to this game, I swear. Alright, nurse. Where are you? Getting louder. Oh! Oh no! Oh, come on. She definitely would have hit the wall. Come on. That was so close. Everyone else gave this poor girl the work. Oh, the off-the-record play. Oh, wait. Let me look at where I'm going real quick first. I don't know if I have enough charges. Don't do it. My off-the-record is still active. Thank you, Wet Sock. Nice skill check. I saw that. Oh, basement. Are you gonna be hasty? Are you gonna rush it? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's an overshot. Nice. Fucking shit, why am I running into the wall? Bye-bye. Well, I just used that to try and save myself from a hit. Oh, oh. Nice. Take off from here. What's the... Oh! Oh! Nice. Very, very nice. I'm I'm just gonna pull up right here, and this should have 32 charges on it. That should be more than enough to finish me off. And Injured Funny Origin 4 is working on that last gen, thankfully. We can see that it's almost halfway done. This was such a buff that they added those icons there. I have way too much information to have now. Like, this basically turned solo queue into, like, actual team matches. She waited all this time. She had 3 blinks. This whole time. 3 blinks. And she brought a Mori. This is a bad spot for her to chase in because there's all these, basically these rows, these aisles. So you can get her stuck in here if she doesn't know her blink ranges, and I can tell that this nurse does not have her blink ranges. I am also live streaming on Twitch. I stream on, whenever I stream on Twitch, YouTube, and on, what do you call it, Facebook. Oh my god! You hacker! That was fun. Thank you. I'm not afraid. Nurse is calling? No. He just really wants the smoke. Oh. I see. Oh, brother, we cannot do this. Woo! I got my Liberator. I'm gonna have some problems here. Does she have ears? She doesn't have ears. Ears do not exist on that killer. Okay. Woo. Admin, I go by the same name on all platforms currently. I am Killer Snow 666 on all of the platforms that I stream on. I am also looking to start streaming on Kick as well. But I am also in the midst of trying to get my name changed on all platforms. So, I would... Oh, fuck. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm in the midst of getting my, going by a different name, on streaming platforms. I'm gonna be dropping this one soon. I've been using it for 5 years, but I have, long since wanted to have it changed. Alright. Here we go. Now we need... Tappy tappy tap on all of this. Oh no. That's Mars's first down. We're good. Keep going. Don't worry about it. she'll still need 2 full blinks to get here. She's not going to make it. She's gonna go after the guy she just injured before she goes after anyone else. Or she's gonna come back to her hook. Oh, you had that. I see. You also have a key. I'm gonna let her hopefully chase you. Really? Okay. That's good and bad, I suppose. Where? If I know where... Oh, look. Fuck! She tried to hit me with that, with a backflip slap. Ah, I'm a nurse main. Before I play Survivor, I am a nurse main. That ain't working on me. Nicely done, though. Ha! He went for healing speed increase, and okay. So he's the one that brought us there. They tried to bring us to Midwich, and you brought that, you brought the blink, and the recharge time. Yeah. I thought I picked up on that undetectable. That's interesting. Probably just using whatever they had. I could definitely tell they weren't, you know, a thoroughly experienced nurse. Some of those blinks were very wild. A lot of them were. But that is the curse of learning nurse, and which is why I'm always against nerfs to, like, nurse's movement and her power, because it takes practice. It takes so much work to get up there with her. Not that one. Vittorio. Do we wanna? I mean... Nah, I think I'll do Item Hunter with him real quick. We'll try and do something a little more interesting for the next match, if we have one. Oh, look, the Booth Gang. And Darth Meliodas. Okay. We have a Star Wars fan coupled with a Seven Deadly Sins fan. Ashing. Okay. Oh, and I'm sorry, it's Booth Gang 69. Sorry to disrespect your name like that. Booth Gang 69. It's like when you know the homie's name is Klein, but you still call him Balls Deep 69. If you know, you know. Also, I think I may have somehow accidentally, like, gotten a ramen noodle, like, stuck in my nasal cavity, because I can feel something uncomfy. And the reason I say this is because it's not the first time that I've had that happen. Because I will sometimes inhale as I am eating, and that will make things go all cattywampus sometimes, and that is annoying. No map offerings, no Mories. That's what I like to see. You know what else I like to see? The homies. I like to see the homies, and I like to see the homies happy. I like to make the homies happy. By the way, if anyone is here in the stream that isn't from my usual friends in the Chop Shop Discord, that did happen to see a post I made asking for a GoFundMe help contribution for one of the homies that was suffering from a very sudden diagnosis, I'd like to go ahead and issue my thanks from him as well, because everything is all paid up. That's all good. Oh, you're the homies with the E before the... I see. The item hunt begins. This is going to be guaranteed a medkit. Ah, shit. I need to do this. Then this, and then I can rummage. Is that a killer? It is. Where? I see. Oh my god. So he's setting up. That's what he's doing. Oh my god. This doesn't look... okay, yeah, no, we are not in a good position here. No, it wasn't close enough. I needed better add-ons on this shit. He definitely spotted that. I'm gonna disable... Where was it? I saw it right there. Saw that. Not a good idea to go for that unhook yet. Where am I going? I don't know. I don't know. There wasn't anything I could do for that one. They gave me nothing in that area. Oh, fuck. Anything here? Nope. Goddamn. We're not gonna get another match out of this. That much is for certain. Oh, Iron Grasp. Ew. I shouldn't even be struggling then. We got full use out of the item that we brought. Well, that we definitely ganked out of that box. For ourselves. For our own fun and games and lulls and laughs. We got something out of it. Okay. Okay. I like this. This is alright. When you unhook me, I'm just gonna go straight for that box. Don't worry about me. Got that speedy unlock speed now. For some reason here. Oh, look at that, look at that. Yep, not absolutely gonna take advantage of this real quick. Alright. Yes. Alright. I'm gonna need to leave this here. Grab this, and then we're gonna rummage. Try and see if I can get anything else of use out of here. A key. We'll leave that there. Also, with the... For some reason, it feels like the angle is closer to the player's face now. Not closer to the face, closer to the player in general here. Okay, cool. There is actually a thing in the basement. There's still the basement box. I'ma get it. Oh. Let's see what we can do for you, young lady. Okay. We're gonna use the med kit. That's what this build is for. Maximum utilita. Yeah, he's got iron grasp. I shouldn't be messing around with him like that. Oh, that's not going to be good. Nice. I saw that. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice. Yes, you absolutely may. I need just a moment to find a good position in game to be able to stop. And actually, you know what? I'll post it after this match. I'll post it after the match before we finish out for the day and usher in a new day. Don't you come down here. Don't you fucking come down here. That's what I thought. Ooh. This will actually help things a little bit. That's if I want to find the hatch. I'll have options. Oh. Who is that getting chased? Darth Meliodas? Oh my god. I don't have an option to save you. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh! That's so fucky wucky. Fucker. He was walking weird. I didn't know which fucking side he was gonna go through. That's not gonna be good for me. I cannot go through here. Please tell me that there's something here for me. Can I do this? And does single double backs. And it worked. You don't take anyone to the base. It would have been great if that trap were active, but that's why he brought me here, so he could retrieve it. He set me up somewhere out of the way, too. Smart. You played very well. It's a much better killer than, a much more experienced killer than the one that we had faced before. Oh man, late brisk. I have to touch that first. Wolfgang is working on a gen elsewhere. Is this is where I left another key. He abandoned, Ashy. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. Come on. That was a nice skill check. Damn, girl. Now, please touch me. Alright, never mind. I guess you don't want to touch each other. It's cool. He saw her. He saw her. I'm safe. He saw me. I'm fucked. I know what he wants from me. I wasn't gonna hit the trap. If I were... Oh my god, he actually didn't see her. There's no way. I would have absolutely seen that green-ass hair sticking up in that dead-ass grass. 100%. Woo! Let me get that, let me get my Discord info for you. I know that my bot used to go ahead and actually give that information. Sorry, I'm just looking at the fucking amazing Pokemon that I've missed out on in Discord. Okay, I can just skip over that. My hunting ground, my announcements. No, I need my invite link. Report raid. Ooh. But that's not what I'm after. We'll hit that copy button, and I will go ahead and just drop this right here. That is an open Discord invite to my Discord server. Pop in. Rules are basically generically don't be a monster to people. And that should, you know, kind of do things. That should be enough of a thing, you know, be a rational, calm human being to people. My Discord has adult only. It has a lot of random game development stuff, lots of random gaming stuff. I won't say lots, honestly. The server's honestly very, very quiet most times. I spend most of my time hanging out in a friend's Discord server that has basically all my friends in there. That was established long before mine was. So we spend our time there. I answer stream questions and stuff on my current one. I will probably try and soup it up and do something more with it later on in the future with no determined deadline right now because I can't put that kind of workload on myself. Interact for a total of 90 seconds with elements that were tracked by your map. Nice. I love using maps, actually. But that's actually it for our gameplay today. So what did we do today? Today we accomplished going and learning about Lyra, right? We opened up Lyra, we saw what my instructor created for a little starter level that had no cover. We could see that the NPCs just had incredible range and accuracy. The weapons, their pistols were taking us out with so little effort. So what we did today is we went ahead and we nerfed those bots and we taught ourselves about some of these subsystems within Lyra, familiarized ourselves with the way things are intricately interlinked with one another in Lyra, and basically furthered our understanding to better understand what our limitations are going to be and what we are going to want to design and create using the Lyra infrastructure. The next time we decide to step into, Unreal territory, which is probably going to be tomorrow, honestly. Or I could just continue working on various other things like those pre-production packages I need to do for this before I even start building. But I know that that was a lot to take in all at once, as is usual. I'd like to go ahead and thank everyone that participated today, starting with 3 days ago, we had a random follow from Graceful Lotus, thank you so much, and 7 hours ago, which was before the stream started, and honestly was the first message, I recall this, our first message of the stream came from our most recent follow, Siri Renee 01. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, that's just what I'm reading phonetically. And to go ahead and give thanks to all the others we've got over here on the YouTube side, Abman136, thank you so much for being here and for actually sticking through the stream. I believe that you are one of the few, at least top 5, that actually, has done that on the YouTube side of things. So I really, really do appreciate that. I want to thank my friend Tori, who went ahead and gave us some interaction on Facebook side, as well as Terrence Stewart. Thank you so much. Ribcage, thank you so much for being a first-time chatter on the Twitch side. I appreciate you so much, my friend, and I really hope to hang out with you again sometime soon. Vic and Smoke King Bone. Smoke King Bone, thank you for stopping in. Thanks for letting me know that you were Banner 420 dude, because I totally did not know that that was you, Tony. And if I did know at one point, I totally forgot, so this definitely helps me identify you, so thank you. And Vic, of course, just thank you for existing and for being here constantly and for being my rabid little desk support dog. You're the best. And with all that said and done, ladies and gentlemen, please stay frosty.